Tracfone uses your zip code to determine network compatibility with Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile and ensure proper service in your area. This helps match your location with the right carrier towers for reliable service. Without the correct zip code, activation may fail or coverage could be limited. Use the official USPS website or your device's location services. Always use accurate US zip codes. International codes won't work. This prevents overpromising in incompatible areas. Tracfone activation and coverage errors are common but fixable. Let's look at the main issues and how to resolve them. For an invalid zip code error, start by verifying your zip code on the USPS website. Then re-enter it accurately during activation, making sure it matches your billing address. If you encounter no coverage, particularly in rural areas, contact Tracfone support to explore alternative network plans like T-Mobile if Verizon coverage is limited. To prevent these issues, ensure Tracfone's app and website maps are up to date. Use their AI chatbot for quick assistance or access 24/7 support for any activation failures. Following these steps can help you resolve most Tracfone activation and coverage errors effectively.